Good morning. Welcome to Spy Money on this Black Friday. I've been watching the sales and so forth, and it's pretty crazy some of the deals you can get. But I'm going to show you what you can get. For $1,300 a month, you can get access to my bots and indicators and strategies. And I have another one that I'm releasing next week that is by far probably the best that I've ever made. And we've been discussing it in the Discord. I've been using it for 3 weeks, and it is a no-brainer. If you can't make money with it, then you're never going to make money. But let me show you what YM did. I hardly ever trade YM, but I've been watching it lately, and it's just been going through the roof. So I went ahead and I bought options on it. Bought it on DIA, the ETF of the YM, the Dow Jones. But I also put a bot on it and just kind of letting the bot. And it does have some losers and so forth, but 5 contracts up $2,673.60 today. It's pretty good. A lot of different trades in here. Now, when I put this on the new strategy next week, it's going to do better. And I just can't wait. I'm looking forward to it. There's some trades in here. This is without or with commissions even, because some people say, well, what about commissions? Well, this is included. And it's doing very well. So how do you get started with this? Well, what you're going to end up doing is you've got to go to SpyMoneyLSE.com, and let me get this pulled up right here. And you go up to the Ninja Suite. Now remember, December 15th is a cutoff. You will not be able to lease Spy Money after December 15th. And we're cutting the leases off. And just going to be for the people that have signed up. I did it last year, and I opened it up again. And we've done pretty good. We've got different people in there. We've got a lot of people that's been with us for years. And people making money. And that's what counts. But I want to keep this small. And I'm starting to get a little bit too big. And I want it to... I've got to cut the leases off. So that's what we're doing. So what you do is you go up to the Ninja Suite. You click on that, and it's going to give you a little short video explaining what the Ninja Suite is. And you can watch that. And then if you scroll down, we have different bots. I added a couple extra bots, but Coaster, for the most part, is the bot of choice. And now next week it will be called Lender. SpyBot Lender will be the choice. And then here's the indicators we have, plus a lot more. A lot of different add-ons, drawing tools. Here's some frequently asked questions. Read through this because your question is probably answered in there. If not, go up to the contact page and let us know. Answer best I can. Now, if you want to get in the lease, you have to read through these 14 statements that I have and agree to them. If you do agree to them, then you want to highlight this, copy, and then go up to the contact us. When you go up here, the reason I do this is because some people say, well, I didn't know that. Well, this is proof that you knew. First name, last name, email, phone number. If you don't have all this information, you will not get a link. Paste the agreement in here, submit it. That says that we are on the same page and you agree to all this. The biggest thing on there is that I like people to know, and I even make it bigger, is SpyBot is not a set it and leave it bot. It is something that you control. And now you can turn it on and it will run and it'll make the trade stops, take profits, all that, all on its own. But there's reasons that we don't want to do that. Number one reason is you have computer glitches. Maybe NinjaTrader has a trouble, or your data has issues, or maybe you lose internet. Things happen. So you need to make sure that you are there watching these, whether it be on a different monitor or whatever, or maybe even while you're in the house, just turn the volume up, and when you hear it enter a trade, go monitor it. Make sure that everything's fine. Just keep your eyes on it. Things happen, guys. You just need to make sure everything's fine. If you don't have the money to trade, you can do funded accounts, prop firms. They give you the money to trade. BluSky has a incredible deal today, 60% off, and Apex is still the 80% off. Use these coupon codes right here. Click on the links up here, or these images. Click on that. It will take you to them, and use these coupons. That's what you want to do. So by doing that, you will save the most money. You will be allowed to use their money to trade, but there are rules, so make sure you read the rules. BluSky has a pretty good program, and so does Apex. The one thing I don't like about Take Profit, I didn't know until here lately, is that you cannot draw your money out for 60 days without paying a penalty. So if you, within 60 days, if you take profit, you only get 50% of that. They keep 50, you get 50. That's wrong. So I don't like that. But anyway, there's a lot of different things you can do. The Ninja Suite is a very good program to get into, and it allows you to be able to use the best products on the market. I don't think that there's any product any better than what we have. We consistently make money daily. Not to say you won't have a losing day, but I think with the new indicator and bot that I make next week, well, actually the indicator's already there, so you can manually trade it now. But the bot won't be here until next week. As soon as the bot comes, that is probably the bot that I will run. And we're looking for $100 a contract, and it won't take that long to make the money you need. It's so consistent that I'll probably run 10 contracts on it and just get $1,000 a trade. That's probably what I'll end up doing. But if you have any questions or anything, let me know. Let's get you started. Remember, these leases are going to end soon. I did it last year and I cut it off, and there was a lot of people that weren't happy about it, but that's just what we do. I'm a small company. I want to stay a small company. And so right here it is. Here's your fair warning. It's right on the main page. Circled for you even to let you know. December 15th, 2024 is going to be the last day. What day is that? I haven't even looked. That is on a Sunday night. So a Sunday night will be, the first day of the week will be the cancellation. December 15th was the magic number last year, and that's what it's going to be this year. Get in while you can. If you don't, you miss the boat. And you will just have to try to learn how to trade on your own. So let us know if we can help you. Happy Black Friday, and enjoy your weekend. And I will chat later.